Here's the update on my projects today. 3 pieces are done. This one is the pendant in the moonstone. Oh gosh, I love it. These are the earrings that are from my Memories of Childhood collection and with amethyst. And finally the ametrine cuff, which is the design that everybody wanted, was the ametrine for the cuff. So that turned out beautifully. The other things in the works, this one I'm on phase 1 on. This is the grape agate and it's going to have moonstone with it. That'll all be cut around when I'm done. These are the earrings that are going to go with it. And again, that needs a lot of cutting, etc. But at least they've been set. And then lastly, this is just a new one I was playing with. This is what they call tiger iron. And it's got iron in it, duh. And then I'm going to complement it with some Baltic amber. That's really in the beginning stages. So that's my update.